Good day everyone and welcome. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of large language models with our presentation titled Graphologue, exploring large language model responses with interactive diagrams. This groundbreaking research, brought to you by Peiling Jiang, Jude Ryan, and Haijun Xia, aims to revolutionize how we interact with these models, using interactive diagrams to make sense of complex information. Stay tuned as we unpack the potential of this innovative approach. Our research highlights the use of GPT-4 for summarization. This advanced model generates one-sentence summaries for each paragraph, enabling users to quickly grasp key ideas. A crucial aspect of this process is the maintenance of entity identifiers. By keeping these identifiers consistent in both the original text and the summary, we ensure smooth transitions between diagrams of varying complexity and retain context for users. However, we also identified challenges with ChatGPT's responses. Users reported that these responses were verbose and lacked structure, leading to a desire for more flexible interaction and better organization. Furthermore, users faced difficulties due to the overwhelming amount of information, the lack of direct interaction with the response text, and challenges in tracking the flow of questions and answers. These findings underscore the need for improved representation of information to enable intuitive understanding and flexible exploration of data from large language models. Our research is motivated by the need to improve the user experience with ChatGPT. We've identified two key areas for improvement. First, we aim to address the verbosity and lack of structure in ChatGPT's responses. As you can see in the figure, we've compared the original response and its summary from GPT-4, along with their corresponding diagrams. This showcases our process of summarizing and structuring the responses to enhance their digestibility. By refining these aspects, we hope to make the interaction with ChatGPT more intuitive and efficient, ultimately enhancing the user's ability to understand and explore the information provided. The usability and effectiveness of language models like ChatGPT are significantly impacted by the challenges users face. These challenges, such as verbose responses and disorganized information, lead to user dissatisfaction and increased cognitive load. Previous attempts to address these issues have not been entirely successful, often resulting in users being overwhelmed with excessive information. Our proposed approach aims to tackle these problems head-on. We suggest generating a one-sentence summary for each paragraph, which captures the key concept and allows for a concise and easily digestible view. Additionally, we emphasize the importance of maintaining the identifiers of entities present in both the original text and the summary. This approach ensures that the same entities are matched across different texts and diagrams, allowing for synchronized interactions and smooth diagram transitions. Lastly, we introduce the use of saliency filtering. This technique helps prevent overwhelming users with excessive information, providing a more streamlined and user-friendly experience. Together, these strategies aim to enhance the usability and effectiveness of language models, making them more accessible and satisfying for users. We've made strides in improving the problem setting by providing GPT-4 with annotated responses for summaries. This ensures that the same entities are matched across different texts and diagrams, allowing for synchronized interactions between the diagram and the text. Our formative study was instrumental in understanding the challenges users face with ChatGPT. This understanding has informed our approach to improve the problem setting. The study findings revealed that responses from ChatGPT are verbose, making them difficult to track, process, and comprehend. There's also a lack of organization and direct interactive control over the responses. These insights are crucial as we continue to refine and improve the system. Our research identified several challenges with ChatGPT responses. Firstly, users found the responses to be verbose and lacking structure, often containing redundant information. This made it difficult for users to process and comprehend the information provided. Secondly, we observed a desire for more direct interaction with the responses. Users wanted to query specific parts of the responses, but found this process cumbersome and mentally taxing due to the need for manual clarification. These findings highlight the need for improvements in the way ChatGPT presents and structures its responses, as well as how users can interact with the information provided. Let's delve into the technical results of our study. The image you see here is the Graphologue interface, a tool designed to enhance the interaction with ChatGPT. It showcases features like the question input box, text response blocks, and diagrams. It also allows users to modify the saliency filter, toggle the raw GPT-4 response, and change the text block display. Now, let's discuss some of the challenges we encountered with ChatGPT. Participants found the responses to be verbose and overwhelming. Even when the queries were short, the responses were lengthy and often included redundant information. This was a significant issue that we needed to address to improve the user experience. Our study identified key challenges in interacting with ChatGPT. Users expressed a desire for direct interaction with the response text, as the current method increases mental load and is time-consuming. We also found issues with the organization of information. Users found it difficult to track previous questions and answers, and they noted that redundant answers lacked organization. They expressed a need for better information management tools. To address these challenges, participants proposed several solutions. They suggested the use of bullet points and different formats for easier understanding. A bookmarking technique was recommended for easy reference to previous responses. Additionally, the idea of spatially organizing responses in a mind map form was brought up, which could help visualize the connections between different questions and answers. These findings and proposed solutions provide valuable insights into how we can improve the usability of ChatGPT and similar language models. Our study identified several challenges with ChatGPT responses. Firstly, the responses were found to be verbose and lacking structure, which made them overwhelming and difficult to navigate. Participants expressed a need for different formats and information management capabilities to better handle the information. Secondly, there was a clear desire for more flexible interaction with the responses. The current method of interaction was found to increase the mental load on the users, as they had to manually extract parts of the responses to further explore them. Lastly, there was a lack of organization across multiple responses. Participants found it difficult to track various questions and answers, and the redundancy in the answers further contributed to the disorganization. This highlights the need for better representation and organization of information to enable intuitive understanding and flexible exploration.